Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Set up a clean workspace before you touch acrylic paint medium. Wear nitrile gloves and protect surfaces with plastic or craft paper. Arrange brushes by size, a mixing palette, and 2 clean jars of water. Keep the medium bottle and a dropper within reach to avoid spills. Place your canvas on an easel at a 16:9 viewing angle for comfortable painting. Ensure good top lighting and ventilation to help solvents or glossy mediums evaporate safely during work sessions. Measure paint and medium to control consistency and drying times. Start with a 1:1 paint to medium ratio for glazing and improved flow. Increase medium to 2 parts medium when you need translucency or extended open time. Use a palette knife to blend pigment and medium until the mixture is smooth and streak-free. Load a synthetic brush for detail or a flat brush for broad strokes and apply thin layers. Allow about 24 hours between coats to prevent tackiness and cracking. Finish your painting only after acrylic layers reach a full cure. Wait about 7 days before applying a satin or gloss varnish for optimal adhesion. Test a small corner with varnish to ensure compatibility and desired sheen. Clean brushes immediately with water and mild soap to prevent bristle hardening and preserve brush shape. Store leftover mixed medium in an airtight container away from direct heat and sunlight. Label containers with date and ratio for future reference and consistent results across projects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.